Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about how a digital identity verification device works in an easy step-by-step way. A digital identity verification device is a smart machine used to confirm that a person is really who they claim to be. It helps banks, service centers, airports, fintech companies, and many other organizations verify identity quickly and securely. In simple words, it combines document scanning, biometric checking, and secure server processing to approve or reject an identity request. First, the user starts the verification process by approaching the device and beginning the identity check session. The screen guides the user and prepares the machine to collect the required information. This makes the process simple even for first-time users. Next, the user chooses a verification method. Depending on the system, the device may offer options such as ID card, passport, QR code, face scan, or fingerprint. This step allows the system to decide what kind of data it needs to collect for identity confirmation. After that, the user scans the identity document. The device reads the details from the ID card or passport and captures important information such as the name, date of birth, document number, and other security data. In many cases, the scanner can also detect machine-readable zones, chips, or printed security features. Then, the device captures live biometric data. For example, it may use the camera to take a live face image or use a fingerprint sensor to capture the user's fingerprint. This is important because the system needs to compare a real live person with the document data, not just a photo or copied record. Once both the document data and live biometric data are collected, the system matches them. In other words, the device checks whether the face or fingerprint captured in real time corresponds to the identity information stored on the document. This helps confirm that the person presenting the document is the true owner. Meanwhile, security checks also run in the background. The device checks authenticity, looks for possible signs of fraud, and validates encrypted data. It may also detect fake documents, altered information, or suspicious activity. As a result, the whole process becomes more secure and reliable. Next, the verification request is securely sent to a connected server or identity system. The server processes the data, applies additional checks if needed, and confirms whether the identity meets the required approval rules. This connected system may belong to a bank, a government agency, or a digital onboarding platform. Finally, the verification is completed. The device shows the result as approved or rejected and then ends the session. If approved, the user can continue with account opening, service access, or another secure process. If rejected, the system may ask for another attempt or additional review. Therefore, a digital identity verification device is useful because it provides fast verification, better security, reduced fraud, and convenient digital onboarding. It combines a touchscreen display, camera, ID or passport scanner, fingerprint sensor, QR or NFC reader, secure processor, network connection, and verification software to make identity checks accurate, safe, and efficient. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.